Hey everybody, I just want to make a quick video for y'all. I'm changing the oil in my front differential on my 2021 Toyota Tacoma off-road, and the space is a bit too small for the plastic bottle to fit in there and pour it in. It takes 1.6 quarts, and it's cheaper to buy in bulk, and I bought these thinking, oh, I can fit those in there and everything will be alright. No, not enough space. So what you can do, a quick tip, is you can cut the top off of one bottle, screw it through a quart plastic bag, and then pour the amount that you need into the bag. And then once you actually get up underneath there, you can fit the tip in and squeeze the 1.6 quarts that you need into your front differential. Anyways, I hope that helps. If you want me to make a video on how to change the front and rear differential oil, just let me know in the comments. Go ahead and like and share if this helped you out, and see if it'll help other people. Thank you.